and in today's video, we'll reminisce about our trip to the city of Cachoeirinha in Minas Gerais. Optimized video reminiscing about moments. The full video is on the channel. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel.
The city center is filled with charming old houses that transport you back in time. Cachoeirinha is more than just a trip. It is a journey that enriches the soul with the natural beauty, history, and culture that this unique city has to offer. It's the perfect place to disconnect from the world and connect with the simplicity and authenticity of life in the interior.